everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be talking about the latest Hindi film release, which is Hrithik Roshan, Deepika Padukone and Anil Kapoor starrer Fighter, which is directed by Siddharth Anand. Now the overall promotion of the film was pretty thanda, though I feel ki for me one of the biggest motivators to watch the film was Hrithik being in the lead. एक तो ऐसी वो इतनी लिमिटेड फिल्म्स करते हैं, तो जब भी उनकी कोई रिलीज होती है आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी मच एक्साइटेड। और इस फिल्म को लेके भी मैं एक्साइटेड थी बिकॉज व्हेन आई हैड वॉच द टीजर मैंने तभी कहा था कि ये जो कास्टिंग की है सिद्धार्थ आनंद ने, ये मुझे एकदम परफेक्ट लग रही है। एंड आई वॉज नॉट रॉन्ग, बिलीव मी, इट्स नॉट जस्ट द लीड कैरेक्टर्स बट लिटरली every supporting cast for me at least was perfectly casted. Now obviously this is by means not a perfect film, but there are many things that work in the favor of the film which make it an entertaining watch. Now starting with the storyline, पहले जब मैंने ट्रेलर देखा था तो मुझे लगा था कि this story and this movie is essentially based on the पुलवामा अटैक, जो वो है, मतलब कुछ रियल इंसिडेंट से ये मूवी इंस्पायर हुई है। बट जो कोर ऑफ द स्टोरी है that is actually about the different interpersonal relationships between all these fighter pilots. In fact जो ये interpersonal dynamics है, ये जो फ्रेंडशिप है, ये बॉन्डिंग जो है, दैट इज द कोर एंड द हार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म। विदाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट यू विल नॉट गेट द फुल इमोशनल वाइब। यू माइट थिंक कि नहीं ये पूरा ही पूरा पेट्रियोटिज्म के ऊपर है, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स नॉट। वो वाला एस्पेक्ट तो डेफिनेटली है बिकॉज इट इज अ मूवी अबाउट द इंडियन एयरफोर्स, बट द सोल ऑफ द फिल्म एक्चुअली लाइज इन द डायनामिक between all of these characters. Now when it comes to the screenplay, when you listen to the overall dialogues, कुछ जगहों पे you might cringe a little bit, but I would say all in all, the writing is quite strong. And if I just compare the screenplay of Siddharth Anand's last two films, this one is leaps and bounds ahead. Though मेरी favorite film जो सिद्धार्थ आनंद की है, that till date remains Salaam Namaste. आप लोग मुझे बताइए which is your favorite film that is directed by Siddharth Anand in the comments. Next we come on to one of the biggest things जो मेरे दिमाग में था कि ये अच्छा होगा या नहीं होगा, which is going to make or break this film, is the VFX and all the aerial combat scenes. And trust me, I went in with like minimal expectations. In fact टीजर और ट्रेलर देख के, जब मैंने थिएटर में भी टीजर और ट्रेलर देखा था, बीच में जब मैं फिल्म्स देखने जाती थी तो फाइटर का प्रोमो दिखाते थे, I was like, हाँ अच्छा तो दिख रहा है, but still I'm just not gonna expect anything because I don't know how they're gonna execute it. And boy oh boy, I was so pleasantly shocked today while watching this film because जो entire thrill है वो aerial combat का, उसमें actually मजा आता है. Now let me tell you, I watched this film in 2D. I did not watch it in 3D or in IMAX. So I don't know if you have watched it in 3D or in IMAX. Please let me know if the experience was a little bit different because honestly in 2D it still felt very thrilling. जिस तरह से aerial combat scenes को edit किया गया है, जिस तरह से dialogues and BGM को incorporate किया गया है, you really feel the thrill of that scene. Was it completely like masterclass and absolutely perfect? No. There is always scope of improvement when it comes to action like this, but to be very honest, it was not bad at all. So I really want to applaud the entire VFX team जिन्होंने भी इन scenes पे काम किया है. Please take a pat on your back because you have done a fabulous job. Third thing which I really like, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था that the soul of the film really lies in the interpersonal relationships, तो काफी सारे characters की journey काफी अच्छे से लिखी गई है, which is why you make an emotional bond with all these characters and that is why अगर उनके साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है या बुरा होता है, you also feel that emotion. So it is not just about कि नहीं सिर्फ ऋतिक को ही बड़ा करके दिखाया ही है obviously because वो main lead है, but बाकी सारे characters को भी काफी अच्छी importance दी गई है. One of my favorite scenes in the film is a scene between Hrithik Roshan and Sanjeeda Sheikh which comes in the second half. It's a very emotional scene and it's just so beautiful to watch. It'll break your heart. You really root for this friendship and overall I just loved both of their acting in that particular scene. Now when it comes to background score, I wouldn't say it's absolutely brilliant, but it's not bad as well. Like there are scenes, especially in the second half, I would say the BGM gets even better. First half you really wouldn't like notice it as much. And जहाँ तक गानों की बात है, so इश्क जैसा कुछ तो obviously is not part of the film. शेर खुल गए is a good song, though the way it kind of is edited into the film, which is, it was a little bit abrupt for me. Please let me know if you felt the same or not. हीर आसमानी बहुत ही बढ़िया गाना लगा मुझे. ऐसे भी मैंने जब सुना था फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे अच्छा लगा था, बट आई फील जब मैंने स्क्रीन पे देखा विद द सीन्स it felt even better. Performance wise, I loved everybody. Hrithik obviously being a standout because him in the emotional scenes, him in the action, him in the romantic scenes, there is a lot of acting prowess of Hrithik that you can see in this film. And I did not expect the movie to have these many emotional moments. So I feel that when it comes to the action as well as the emotion, there was a good balance. जैसे जब war आई थी, I felt that war spent more time on kind of glorifying Hrithik's entry and this and that. वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही over कर दिया था. But यहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं की गई है. यहाँ पे you actually see Patty, you actually see the character. And that is what Siddharth Anand got right in terms of direction in this particular film. Deepika Padukone का arc भी मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. There is a beautiful scene between Deepika and Ashutosh Rana, which I loved. Karan Singh Grover, Sanjeeta Sheikh, the entire dynamic was really, really nice. And all other characters, like they got their moment of shine, I feel. Now when it comes to the villain, Rishabh, I think ये उनकी पहली फिल्म है, उनका भी काम मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. Like he looked like a villain, he looked intimidating, he looked like the antagonist. I loved his body language overall. जिस तरह से एक confidence होना चाहिए villain में, वैसा था. Now obviously overall look and feel of the film, it's very very entertaining, but आपको वो Bollywood वाला तड़का तो उसमें मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Like I'm pretty sure the same story can be shown in a more realistic kind of way, in a more serious tone, but I don't think Siddharth Anand was going for that. क्योंकि generally जहाँ तक मेरे को समझ आया ये वैसा उनका style है नहीं, especially when it comes to action movies. He's going to give you the stylized version, even though yes the film is based on the Indian defense, but still you're gonna get that Bollywoodish version of it only. If you're not a fan of that kind of execution, obviously then it's not for you. But I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people who like to see these kind of films which has a little bit of that entertainment factor a little bit notched up. So overall I was very very entertained while watching the film, and it was just watching Hrithik in this particular role, I just kept thinking he is just so perfectly casted in this particular role. Not just him, everybody, but him especially. So thank you Siddharth Anand for casting him in this role. And when it comes to the edit and pacing of the film, personally I did not feel any lag, though I went in with my father, so he said कि उनको second half बीच में कहीं पे थोड़ा सा slow लगा, but obviously that's his opinion, but मुझे नहीं लगा specifically. So you guys can let me know if you felt a lag in some areas of the film or not, and you can also let me know your overall thoughts in the comments below if you have watched this film. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया देख के. And yes, that was my review and my quick thoughts on Fighter. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and with that I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.